Hey, what's going on? I went to break something down, calling my shot, basically predicting price using something that I discovered in the chart. I'll call it a SpaceX candle. I mean, I never have seen this fail. You rarely see it, but when you see it, you need to take advantage of it. So I want to show some of these screenshots of the SpaceX candle. Okay, hold on, quick. What's going on with my screenshots? I don't know what's going on, but let me go to TradingView. So I'm calling my shot here with USDCAD. Internet is acting up. Let me go back to USDCAD. So it's on the monthly chart. Okay. It's on the monthly chart. So we have a SpaceX candle. So it's going to take a few months to get down there, but I'm calling the shot now. Okay. Because when you've back tested things, you can do this kind of stuff. And you're not worried about if it don't work and all that, if you're looking weird on camera. It's coming down here, folks. Guaranteed. This is a SpaceX candle. Okay. So people who got short here and holding, God bless them. Now, if it retraces and comes up, it's not going to take that high or it becomes invalid. I think I haven't looked at this in a while, but I think it can take this close, this open, but it won't take that high. Sometimes it'll retrace up, but it's definitely coming down here for sure to this order block. It's either going to it's either coming down here to the middle point of it or the open, because these are the sensitive points on a bullish order block. So if you're short long term, it may retrace up. I promise you it's coming down to here. You can bet on that. Now let me go to the screenshots to take a look at the back testing. Okay, so here we are again, SpaceX candle. You see how right here you see how it opened up below? It opened up below the wick low in the open, which is here. Let me make this a little skinnier. I remember seeing this a while back. I was like, wow, that's pretty cool, you know. So this is a SpaceX candle. Like I said, it opened below this wick and the bearish close candles close. Okay. So it's a SpaceX candle. And you see it always comes up to these order blocks here. Okay. Let me keep showing you because I know, you know, let me keep showing you. Let's go to another one. SpaceX candle. Perfect. This literally look just like USDCAD. You see how it opened up above? Right here. You see how that bearish close candle? This is a dead giveaway, folks. Dead giveaway. I just told you, if it comes up higher, it's not going to take the high. You see that? Remember, it shot back up, but it won't take that open right there, or definitely that wick high. But sometimes it will swing back around. I just showed you that on USDCAD. I said that might happen. But I'm telling you right now, it's projected to push down to the order block, which is all the way down here. It's projected to push down to here. Okay? And right now in USDCAD, we are like right here. Okay, so it may come up possibly, but it's not going to take this open up there, and it's projected to come down to there. So that means that if USDCAD start pushing up over the next few months, you need to be looking for sales, because it has to come down to that order block I just showed you on USDCAD. I'm definitely going to shoot the follow-up video because I know what the hell I'm talking about. Okay, here's another one. Well, that's not a strong one. Let me find another one. That's one, but it's not a strong one. I mean, what we just saw was a dead giveaway. Okay, this is a SpaceX candle, but I want to find the one that looks similar to USDCAD. I mean, dead giveaway. I mean, this thing literally jumped off the chart. See, this is a dead giveaway. This one right here, look at this. SpaceX candle. This shit was so good when I first saw it. I said, I should be selling this. But then I was like, nah, it don't really set up as much. But when it do, but look how far it opened below this bearish close candles, wick low, and close. It opened way below it. I mean, look at the space. between here and here. It's a dead giveaway, folks. And let me show you exactly where it's going. Up to that order block, right? Hold on. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of this writing mode. Hold on. So where is it going? Okay. It's either going to take out the previous high or it's going to come up to those bearish order blocks. The last up close candle. Okay. That's not what a bearish order block is, but I'm just saying this for generic purposes. So if you were scared, you could have bought up to that bearish, that green candle. You could have bought up to the open right there. Or if you had a little more faith, you could have held it to this open or this one, because these are the last up close candles. Okay. These are bearish order blocks, but this is algorithmic. If I said that correctly. All right. So here's another one. SpaceX candle. Dead giveaway. I'm just trying to show you. I'm not talking out the side of my neck, because I was talking to one of my partners yesterday about this. And he was looking like, really? I'm like, yes, really. And I'm about to show you how. Here's another one. Look at the way it opened. You have to find the ones that open below. You see this? This is the last candles here. Look how far down it opened right there. Okay, let me back up. Look at it. And where did it go? Let's back up. Where did it go? It opened all the way down there, closed. It did a little bit of retracing down right here. It did a little bit of retracing. But it went up to where? The bearish order block, last up close candle. That's where it's targeted to go. That's why I'm trying to tell you on USDCAD, it's going down to where the hell I say it's going down to. It's coming down to here, folks. Okay, it's coming down to here. You can believe that or not. This is a bullish order block. So what I'm saying is, if it comes up a little bit here, you need to be selling. If you're going to do this is position trading, because you're going to hold it for a few months. I'm trying to tell you, it's coming down to here, folks. Okay, you either can bet on it hitting the wick high, consequent encroachment, which is 50% of that wick, or the opening price. Okay, and 50% of this is mean threshold, what ICT call mean threshold. But I'm telling you to sell it down to this wick high or 50%, which is the dotted line. I mean, me personally, I would hold it down. I'm be looking for sales too, because I told him I'm going to trade this. I mean, let's keep looking at the examples. SpaceX candle. I came up with this name. This is my shit. Okay, so here it is again. You see how it opened up above? You see how it opened up above all the candles, even that wick high. Okay. So it opened up and closed above it. Then it retraced up. You see how it gapped up? Well, it gapped down. And the target was the order block down there. It returned to the origin. That's where it came from. It came from this last down close candle here. That's where all the power came from. That's where all the juice came from. Here. This candle here. Okay. See, it came right down there. This is on the 15-minute chart. I really like seeing it on a higher time frame. See, here it is again in one of ICT's trainings. It opened. See how it opened up above the green candle right there? The black candle. You see how it opened up above it? It took the high, it opened up above the high and the open and the close of a bullish close candle. And where did it go? Down to this order block right here. That last down close candle. I'm trying to tell you, this is what USDCAD is about to do. I'm calling my shot because I know what the fuck I'm talking about. It's probably going to do something exactly just like this. Okay? See, this is people who really back test. People who really took the time. They can call their shot and not be worried about it not working out and looking stupid on the internet and all that. Not happening, especially not for this move. So right now we're in USDCAD. We're right here. So it's either going to do this and go down to that order block like I just told you, or it's going to retrace up a little bit, but it's not going to take that high. It's not going to take that open right there, or definitely not this wick high. If it does, then it's invalid. Okay. Let me show a few more examples then out in the training. A few more examples of the SpaceX candle that I came up with for the name. Other people may start saying the shit. Who knows? SpaceX candle. That's one, but I want to see one that's a dead giveaway like it is on USDCAD right here. I think that's the same one I showed before. Hold on. If you don't have screenshot examples of what you're trading, I mean, that's wild to me. Where is it? Right here, SpaceX. Look at that. Right there. See how it opened up far below the previous candles, that bearish close candle, the close and the low? It opened up way below it. It's like a fucking rocket, man. And it's in the algorithmic to take out, to come up to the order block here. So if you could have took it up to that bullish close candles open. Right here. Could have took it up to the open, right? So you would have got in here and you would have rolled it all the way up to the open. Boom. Or you could have took it up to mean threshold, which is 50% of that candle, that body. See how it stopped right there? This is a dead giveaway, folks. Dead giveaway. You rarely see it, but when you see it, especially on a higher time frame, that's the damn week. That's the damn monthly chart on USDCAD. Crazy. If you're not taking shorts, you crazy. Okay. I actually did a video. Look at this. SpaceX. Again, this is the last one I'm showing in the video. SpaceX. It opened up above the green candles high and the close. Dead giveaway. See how it went up? This is what USDCAD may do a little bit. See, I'm telling you what it's going to do before it does it. I'm trying to tell you right now, we're right here literally with USDCAD and that last bearish close candle on the monthly chart. It may come up and do something like this. I just told you, but it's not going to take it's not going to take that open or the high, or it's invalid. And I never seen this fail, maybe one time, but I don't even know if that was real. That was so long ago. So we have an order block down here. Actually, this is the order block down here because, so it came down to here, right? But I would have took the scared route and I just would have got out on these last two down close candles. I would have got out literally right here on these last two down, because on another time frame, those last two down close candles is one candle. So I would have got out right here. I wouldn't have held for a price to come down to here. I would have just got out here because, that retrace is just too crazy, especially if it's on the weekly chart or the daily. So I'm telling you right now, this is what USDCAD is. It may do something like this, create some candles going up, but you need to be looking for shorts. You need to be going on a lower time frame and ask yourself, why is it going up? Because it has to come down here according to what this dude just told me. So if you're not looking for shorts on USDCAD, especially when we start seeing some bullish candles on a daily, that's a monthly chart. So it's going to take a while to get over there. I'm going to show the chart one more time. Okay, so this is where we are. All right. So what I'm saying is we're right here. I'm not saying it's going to go straight all the way down to the bullish order block. It might do that. You might see some huge candles. What I'm saying is if we see a bullish candle here next month, which is April, and then May, we may see something else like this. You need to be going short because you're going to see a huge bearish candle that's going to push it all the way down to that order block because that's where it's going. That's where it's going. So you need to be looking for shorts. I know I will be. Thanks for watching.